Hello, we're working on a wheel bearing on a 2004 Chevy Silverado 2500 HD diesel. So, I gotta explain everything to you. You probably shouldn't be doing it. So, if you like, subscribe to my channel so I get my 1,000 people. Alright, so first take tire off, which is, I believe, a 22. And then next, we need to take the brake off. So, depends on where you want to take it apart. If you're doing the wheel bearing, I'm assuming you've done brakes before. So, these ones here are 18. And these ones up here are the 21 to get them off the brake bracket. So, alright, and I just zip tied my caliper up out of the way. So, next, after you get that done, so you want to unplug this, which is all just laid up here, up the thing, up the A-arm, going up toward the top. So, sorry, unplug it, get that off. Next, there's bolts in behind here. There's 4 of them. 2 on this side and 2 on the other side. So, they just bolt all the way through. And the best way we just did it, we turned the steering wheel to the hard right. I popped these 2 with a 15 and an impact. Then we turned it around and turned the wheel back to the left. I got the bottom one off, no problem. But the top one we couldn't get the impact on because of the tie rod. So we just used the bar and got it loose. Alright, so the hardest part is getting this free. So there's a bunch of different ways to get them broke loose. You know, I hit them on top, bottom. You can get them to vibrate a little bit. Then you can either hit it from behind with a 3 or 8 or 12 pound, whatever you got. And we got it to move a little. And then what I did is I took my air chisel and we put it here and I just kind of went down the thing and it kind of pried it. And we did the same thing on the other side. Then we finally went down the bottom and get it apart. But as you're doing it, you also want to just kind of keep tapping on here to make sure that's loose. Sorry, I forgot about that. You got to take off your axle nut, the big nut and the washer, which is a 35. So, you got this all unplugged. You got the axle nut off. So, you beat this off until you get it down. Then you got to get your backing plate off, unless you're going to use a different one. Then, I take a minute and clean it up. A garage don't do it because the garage don't care because it costs money to take time out. So, now your new one, same thing. You just put it in backwards. You know, these bolts, you can see clearly now where they go. There's 4 of them. They look like that. They come right through the back. They hold the hub on. Like I said, I just ran an air chisel right down here and it vibration and wedging it. So, but first I hit it from behind to get a little bit of a gap going. But while you're here, make sure you grease your fittings and stuff if you find any. I know a lot of stuff's greaseless now, but please try it. And I think that's about it. Just put it on backwards. If you need help explaining that, you probably shouldn't be doing the job. So, good luck. If you like, subscribe, and have a good day.